Hello everyone, it's Mitch at One Agency and we're here in God's country in Kanahooka. Now this one certainly needs more love than a contestant on Love Island. We've got a building report, we've got a structural engineers report. All the information's available ready for you and this one goes to auction at the end of August.